The narrative of the iPhone's financial ascent is not merely a tale of technological innovation but a masterclass in strategic financial engineering, a deliberate and relentless march toward premiumization that has fundamentally recalibrated the economics of the entire smartphone industry. This journey began not with a focus on unit volume supremacy but with an acute understanding of value capture, where the ultimate metric of success shifted from how many devices could be sold to how much revenue and, more importantly, profit could be extracted from each individual sale. The average selling price, ASP, became the central protagonist in this story, a figure scrutinized by analysts and investors that serves as a direct barometer of the company's pricing power and brand equity. In the early days, the strategy involved creating a halo effect, establishing the iPhone as an object of desire through its seamless integration of hardware and software, a closed ecosystem that competitors could not easily replicate. This initial foothold was not the endgame but the foundation upon which a more audacious financial architecture would be built, one that would see the ASP climb steadily, defying conventional market wisdom that demanded cheaper products for mass adoption. The machinery of premiumization was then activated with surgical precision, a multifaceted strategy designed to systematically justify and elevate the iPhone's price point. This involved a deliberate segmentation of the product line, moving from a single flagship model to a tiered portfolio that created a clear and compelling ladder for consumers to climb. The introduction of Pro and Pro Max variants was a stroke of strategic genius, creating a new, higher price ceiling that redefined the market's perception of what a smartphone was worth. This was not just about adding better cameras or more storage, it was about creating a visible and aspirational hierarchy within the brand itself, ensuring that there was always a more expensive, more feature-rich model just out of reach, fueling upgrade cycles and justifying a significant premium. Financially, this segmentation acted as a powerful lever on the ASP, as a growing percentage of sales shifted from the entry-level model to these high-margin Pro versions. The cost of goods sold for a Pro model did not increase proportionally to its selling price, meaning that each incremental dollar of ASP translated directly into a disproportionately larger contribution to gross margin, supercharging profitability without the need for a corresponding increase in total unit sales. Underpinning this entire strategy is the cultivation of an ecosystem so robust and sticky that it creates an immense switching cost, effectively locking consumers into the brand and making them less sensitive to price increases over time. This is where the financial narrative transcends the hardware and delves into the more lucrative world of recurring revenue and services. The App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple Care are not merely ancillary products, they are strategic assets that enhance the lifetime value of each customer. This ecosystem creates a powerful feedback loop. The premium hardware provides the gateway to the services, and the indispensability of those services justifies continued investment in the premium hardware. From a financial perspective, this service's revenue stream is incredibly valuable, characterized by high margins and predictable recurrence, which in turn makes the company's overall earnings less volatile and more highly valued by the stock market. This allows the company to continue pushing the ASP of its hardware, knowing that the total cost of ownership is amortized across both a physical product and an indispensable digital suite. The result is a formidable economic moat where the iPhone is no longer just a communication device but the central hub of a user's digital life, a status for which consumers have demonstrated a repeated willingness to pay a premium, ensuring that the upward trajectory of the average selling price remains a central pillar of one of the most profitable business models in modern history.